Much to my delight, I have found sycamore trees along this building and lots of leaves. So I'm collecting them and I'll show you what I've done back at the house when we get there. The way you can identify sycamore trees, one is by these seed head things that the tree forms, and the other is by the very distinctive bark, which as the tree gets older kind of looks like camo. All right, let's get to collecting leaves. So this bin is about 5 by 5, and what you see in there now are 7 of these plastic bags, and I'm going to put some screening on top so that the leaves don't blow out. There we go. Hopefully you can see the screening on top. It's compressing it a little bit. And the first 3 bags I put in, I also mixed some coffee grinds into it. Potentially we're going to get some snow tomorrow, which would be stellar because that will add some moisture to this. I do not anticipate using this probably for 2 years just because it's so dry out here and composting leaves goes really slow. Good morning. It's snowing. Oh my gosh, does this feel good? Well, I need to go check on the leaf pile, so come on with me and let's see what we've got. Ooh, 27 degrees, -2 something in Celsius for all y'all on the other side of the pond and up there in British Columbia. Ooh, little cactuses in the snow. And this is the leaf pile so far. I'm thinking we may get 3 inches here, maybe a little bit more. All right, see you in the next video. Till then.